What's up, y'all? And I'm back with another video. And today it's gonna be how to sound like Maajins on bandlab. But before we get into it, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification button, and yeah, let's get into it. So this is how the preset sounds, and as you can see, this is made by me. But yeah, so let's just see how it sounds. Yeah. And I never saw my soul, yeah, I put that on the guy. We shot up his venue, yeah, we caught him by surprise. Yeah, my pockets say I'm crip, but I'm not one of them guys. Saying one of the guys, see you on the other side. Why you gotta lie? In the back posted with Kai. If he try to talk on my game, you gon' lose your eye. You can't run her, you can't hide. We sent her to the sky. You can't run her, you can't hide. But yeah, that's how it sounds, so let's get into it. So I'm gonna show y'all the stuff at the end, but this is really the main thing. So you need that auto tune, and also you have to like actually try to sound like him, kinda. Not too much, but at least a little. So yeah. So for this part, it was kind of hard for me because I had to actually like, how would I say this? Like, I don't know, but yeah, it is. Yeah, and I never saw my soul, yeah, I put that on the guy. But see, so I messed up on that part, so yeah, and bro, yeah, and I never saw my soul, yeah, I put that on the guy. Yeah, and I never saw my soul, yeah, I put that on the guy. We shot a bit. Y'all get that part. So yeah, so I'm gonna just show y'all the main. But yeah, for better quality, use iPhone mic because it's louder, honestly. So yeah, so for this is gonna be, so noise gate right there, compressor, EQ, de-esser, compressor again, multi-filter, EQ, and this is not here. Yeah, so yeah, and then when you get that, it should sound like this. Yeah, and I never saw my soul, yeah, I put that on the guy. We shot up his venue, yeah, we caught him by surprise. Yeah, my pockets say I'm crip, but I'm not one of them guys. Saying what the guys, see you on the other side. Why you gotta lie? In the back posted with Kai. If he try to talk on my game, you gon' lose your eye. You can't run her, you can't hide. We sent her to the sky. You can't run her, you can't hide.